So this is a perfect example of what we're doing on the paint correction process. So we're actually prepping this vehicle for a front PPF and then also a ceramic coating. So the first thing we're gonna do is we actually took this into our wet bay area, and what we did is we did a hand wash, we did a clay bar, and we did an eye removal. And what we're trying to do there is we're trying to get any foreign substances, any waxes, any dirt, any microscopic rocks that are embedded in the clear coat. We're trying to get all that off and get right down to the clear coat itself. And then after that, what we'll do is we come do the paint correction process, is where we're at in this step right now. So we're doing full paint correction up and down this vehicle. Probably do about 3 or 4 stages in some areas to make sure that it brings it all up together. So as you can see, what we've done is we've taped areas off of the vehicle where we're gonna get really close with the buffer as far as getting the lines done to do a paint correction on it. So what we want to do is we want to tape off those areas to make sure we can get right up to the line, but without damaging any of the other spots that the vehicle would have. So this particular vehicle has a carbon fiber section in its hood, so we've kind of taped everything off there as far as that goes. So on this vehicle, once the paint correction is done, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a full front PPF. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna PPF the entire fender, the entire hood, the entire front bumper, and then also the fender on that side. And then we're also gonna PPF the mirrors too. And then once that's done, what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply a ceramic coating to the rest of the vehicle, and then also a ceramic coating on top of the PPF too.